Research. It's Jen from Polk County Public Libraries, and I'm going to show you how to make this month's Kids Take and Make craft. We are going to learn about and make different cloud types. So before you do your craft, I encourage you to learn some more about clouds. This is an awesome book you can check out by Anne Rockwell, or you can do your own research and check out another book. But follow along, and we are going to get started making our cloud types. Okay, so here is that book that I was talking about. If you want to look up in our system and check one out, I'm sure there are plenty in the Cardinal system that we can get sent to you. Or you can check out another book about clouds or do some research online. That will help you learn the different types of clouds for our activity. So after you've picked up your kit, we'll go through what is in the kit. So you see you have quite a few cotton balls. Those are going to be our clouds. You have some gray paint. You have a large piece of blue paper. That's going to be our backdrop. You have a small piece of green paper. We're going to make that into grass just to make this a nice cloudy scene. And then we also have a printout. This is actually a copy from a page of this book, Clouds by Anne Rockwell, and it shows us the different types of clouds that we're going to make. So you can choose which clouds are your favorite and which ones you want to make. And we're just going to make them out of cotton balls and glue them onto our paper. So you see here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different types of clouds. So we will use our cotton balls to make the clouds that we like the best. You can try to fit all 10 onto your paper if you like. That is up to you. You will need some glue. You will need scissors. And you will need a paintbrush or a Q-tip or something for that gray paint if you want to make one of these grayer clouds like the nimbostratus or the stratocumulus or the cumulonimbus. Hope I'm saying that right. But first I'm going to start with our grass on our background. Just make it easier. So I'm going to cut out some triangles to make some fun grass, and then we'll glue it. You can make the grass however you like. It can just be straight across. You can make these triangles like me to make some really spiky grass. This part is kind of just for fun. So we can make our grass however we like. And look, I actually kind of made 2 grasses by cutting that out. Let's see which one I like better. Let's see, that seems to fit on there pretty well. So I'm going to put some glue. Now, if you have a glue stick, that will work. This Elmer's glue is probably better for cotton balls. But if you are using a glue stick, just make sure to put the glue directly on the paper and not the cotton balls, because glue sticks will definitely stick to the cotton balls and you'll end up with quite a mess. Alright, so we have our grass, and then we have our blue background for the sky, and now we're going to make some clouds. So let's see, I really like this cirrus cloud, so I'm going to make one of those. So I'm going to take my cotton ball and I'm going to stretch it apart. And then after you read your books and do your research and learn about clouds, you can go outside and find what types of clouds are in the sky every day and throughout the day, so they might change. So those are going to be my cirrus clouds. Alright, let's see, I like the gray. I want to use some of my gray paint, so I'm going to make some of these stormy clouds. So I think I'm going to make a nimbostratus cloud. So I'm going to use, actually, these cotton balls stretch a lot. You probably do not need as many as are in some of these kits. So you can shape it however you want. And then this is one of our gray stormy clouds, so I'm going to paint it. Make sure I put the right end of my paintbrush in there. And this one is actually really gray. I'm going to put a lot of gray paint on this one. Alright, there's my Nimbostratus. Let's see, what other clouds? I really like the Cirrocumulus. See those tiny, tiny dot clouds? So I'm going to tear apart one of my cotton balls and just make little balls out of it for the Cirrocumulus clouds. You can roll it up into little balls. Alright, and then I'll make a space on my paper. Put some glue down and put my Cirrocumulus clouds down. Alright, so I did 3 of the 10 clouds. I'm going to keep working on it, and you do as many clouds as you like. We hope you learn a lot during this month's Take a Make STEM activity, and have a happy March.